Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to do a quick demonstration of what I did with a previous video, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to upload your own images and your own videos to make your video with Content Samurai. So basically, I just chose a sales video. Okay, and I just picked, I believe it was just technology, and you just use this template. Just click on use this template, and then it'll go forward. Okay, this is my script that I used. I just plugged it in, and then the scenes I created. That was a clip that was a video clip that I used that was from Content Samurai. And as you scroll through here, these are clips that I actually downloaded. They're images that I downloaded from the JamPlay website, and you could just add them. Let me scroll through here, and so you could do uploads. You could see the uploads I did, and then you can see the images here. So it's really, really easy. So you want to be in screens, and then you want to be able to go to uploads, and then just upload whatever image you want from your computer or wherever you have it stored. And you can see it was really, really easy. I'm very impressed with Content Samurai. So again, all I did was just go to scenes, uploaded my images, go to uploads, upload my images, go to uploads, upload the image or the clips, video clips that you have, and then once you're on this screen, you can change whatever you want. So if I wanted to change this to a different one, I could. I don't want to mess with the video because I like the way it looks. And I'm very happy with the outcome. So that was another. These are all images that I did screenshots from my computer on the JamPlay website, and then just simply uploaded them, and that's all I did. And then I went through to make sure that my script was on the correct image that I wanted. Very easy. They turn out great. I'm very happy with it. And then, again, if you want to use the voice, the two voices that I like are Heidi, she sounds natural, and Harry in the UK. Those are the two that I really like. And then you just go to preview your video. Now, one thing I don't like about, and I don't really necessarily worry about how the video turns out because it's really choppy.
Turning to the guitar.
You can see how choppy it is.
Easier or more cost effective. JamPlay offers numerous membership.
Okay. And then you simply download it. Generate your video. It'll go through the steps, and then you can download it. And I'm going to show you the video. See, there's some of my screenshots. And you don't have to resize them or anything. I just went out to the website, took a screenshot of it. I didn't crop it or anything. So here's the actual video.
Learning to play the guitar online has never been easier or more cost-effective. JamPlay offers numerous membership benefits that set them apart from the competition. JamPlay
So you can see the flow is really nice. There's no choppiness or anything like that. Okay, so if you want to watch the video this whole video that I did, I'll add the description, or I'll add the video link to the description of this video. You can check it out yourself. And then if you want to join I keep on wanting to say Constant Contact, but it's actually Content Samurai, and get your free 7-day trial so you could test drive it, then absolutely do that. I'll leave a link for that as well. It's really easy. They have some really good tutorials. They don't take that long. I think I watched them all within 15-20 minutes. So very, very helpful information. So there you go. Content Samurai. You can see the other videos that I've made that I've been very happy with. But this is the first one where I uploaded all my own images, except maybe the first one or two. So really cool. And I also have some information about how to make money with Content Samurai, and I'll leave a link to that description or that video or article as well. So thanks for watching, and good luck to you.